Welcome to my channel. How to fix Linksys Velop App not working, full solution guide. 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening any website to confirm internet is working. 2. Restart your Velop router. Unplug your Linksys Velop router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This fixes most temporary issues. 3. Restart your mobile device. Simply restart your phone. It clears small bugs that may stop the app from working. 4. Update the Linksys app. Go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for updates. Install the latest version. 5. Clear app cache. Android only. Go to Settings Apps Linksys App Storage Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files. 6. Force stop the app. Go to Settings Apps Linksys App, tap Force Stop, then reopen it. 7. Reinstall the app. Uninstall the Linksys app and install it again. This fixes broken app files. 8. Check permissions. Make sure the app has permissions like location, network, and storage enabled. 9. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can block the app from connecting to your router. 10. Reset Velop system, last option. Press and hold the reset button on your Velop node for 10 to 15 seconds. Then set it up again using the app. Thanks for watching.